just focus on me? Can you focus on me? Baby, can you focus on me?
What's up, y'all? It's your girl, TheKeyisME, and I am back again with another video. I'm going to be doing a get ready with me, and I'm also going to be showing you the hair that I received from This Hair. I already did a review on that hair, so you can go ahead and check that video out as well. So starting this makeup look off, you'll see me moisturizing my lips, and then I'm going to take my Urban Decay setting spray, and I'm just going to put that over my face before I go in with the Smashbox primer to go ahead and prime my face for my makeup. As you can see, the pictures are going to flash of all the products I'm using, and I'm also going to put it down in the description box as well. So as you can see, I do have discoloration on my face. I do go ahead with some orange corrector, and I'm just going to go ahead and put it on my dark spots on my face, which is usually around my mouth area and on my cheeks a little bit. So my makeup is usually so natural and so simple. I'm still in the learning phases of makeup and trying to learn my skin so that I can do my face like I would like to. And then at the end, I'm going to show y'all my outfit. A great outfit for a date night. Something so simple, but you're slaying at the same time. So I'm going to put the music on and stop talking y'all to death. Right here for my concealer, of course, I'm going to be using the LA Pro Girl concealer. I did use two different colors, if you can tell. Under my eyes, I use a shade that's probably like 3 times lighter than my actual skin complexion. And then on my forehead, down the bridge of my nose, above my mouth, and on my chin, I use a shade that's probably like one shade lighter than my actual skin tone. So I like to do that because I like a highlighted look under my eyes. So I did use 2 different types of concealer. The lightest one is in the color Fawn, and the one that's closest to my shade is in the color, I believe it's Chestnut. Yeah, it's Chestnut.
What's going on here? What's going on right now? What is the problem? Tell me your problem. I said a lot, girl. Can't be with mine. Always been on what and I feel. I said a lot, so one night of time shit. Can't waste any time. said a lot, girl, can't read my mind. Always been on one end, I feel outside the lines, run out of time, shit, can't waste any time now. Can't waste any time now. You can tell me anything you want, I'll forget about it. Tell me what you want, anything, I'll do best without it. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? Never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep, never can we sleep. I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act right? I can't tell what happened last night. Did I act
I did go ahead off camera and added my highlight. This is Max Gold Deposit, as well as my lashes. I got them from the hair store. Don't really know the name of them. And I did go ahead and add my lip color, which is from ColourPop in the color Sessy. And this hair look, I already have a review on this hair. Go ahead and watch that video after you get done with this one. And my outfit, I know y'all gonna ask me for my outfit details. I'm gonna try to remember where I got these shoes from. I believe the shoes are from Public Desire, but they're like the clear heels, so you can pretty much find them anywhere. And I paired them with some foot jewels that I found on Amazon. So no, the jewels aren't attached to my shoes. It's actually something that you just slip on. And then I got the dress from Fashion Nova. It's a mesh bondage dress, so it cinches you in at the waist, and I'm absolutely loving it. This is something that I would pick for a date night. I don't over accessorize. I feel like my shoes are already doing a lot, so I just went ahead and put some studs on and a small bracelet. And that's it for this video. I'm going to put all of the information down in the description box for you. Thank you so much for tuning into this video. If you could please like, comment, subscribe, and share. And I look forward to seeing you in my next video.